Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve desktop on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem or the issue of desktop on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of Snapchat app. Here in this list of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. And you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.